Ever wondered how self-driving cars process the world in real time, or how smart cities manage massive data without crashing? Let's unpack the cutting-edge research making this possible. At the heart of this work is edge computing, the practice of processing data locally, on devices or nearby servers, rather than sending it to distant clouds. This approach is critical for systems needing split-second decisions, like autonomous vehicles navigating busy streets. But how do you make edge computing smarter, faster, and more reliable? The researchers tackled this by combining three key tools: TensorFlow for machine learning, OpenCV for computer vision, and the COCO dataset, which trains AI to recognize objects and images. Their solution: a hybrid system using cloudlets, tiny localized data centers, to offload processing tasks. Imagine a self-driving car using nearby cloudlets to analyze traffic patterns without waiting for responses from faraway servers. This hybrid model, called eCode, slashes latency and boosts efficiency. Here's where the magic happens. Two algorithms, Pace and Vote, work in tandem. Pace acts like a decentralized team leader, aggregating object data from multiple devices. If one car misses a pedestrian, another might detect them, and Pace ensures that information is shared instantly across the network. Then Vote steps in, functioning like a jury. Each device votes on what an object is, but not all votes carry equal weight. Vote factors in sensor reliability and environmental conditions, like whether a camera is fogged or a LiDAR is obstructed, to reduce errors. This means the system is less likely to misidentify a truck as a cloud or a pedestrian as a tree. The results? In real-world tests, eCode improved object detection accuracy by 75% compared to traditional edge-only systems. But it's not just about speed, it's about adaptability. By decentralizing processing and enabling device collaboration, this research lays the groundwork for autonomous systems that don't just see the road, but understand it. The team didn't stop at theory. They built a working prototype using open-source tools like Vilib, a computer vision library that acts as a supercharged pair of eyes for machines, and MQTT, a lightweight protocol that streams data between devices like a DIGIT, a L Chinese letter Chinese letter Chinese letter. Their entire system is open source, inviting developers worldwide to refine and expand its capabilities. This isn't just about gadgets, it's about redefining how technology interacts with the physical world. From traffic lights that react to pedestrians in real time, to drones avoiding obstacles without cloud reliance, these innovations are turning sci-fi into everyday reality. So the next time you see a self-driving car or a smart city dashboard, remember, breakthroughs like eCode are making those moments possible. The future of autonomous tech isn't just about individual devices, it's about networks, collaboration, and smarter decisions at the edge. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how machines see the world, hit subscribe. And let us know in the comments, what do you think the future of driving will look like? Stay curious, and we'll see you next time.